yeah.
You smoke to get high, but I smoke to get normal. You move to get by, but I move like I'm immortal. At least that's what my brain tells me. I'm indestructible. Shook when I start to bleed. This ain't possible. I'm man-made, right? That's what people seem to think. That I'm something made to use, just a cup from which they drink. At least that's how it feels. At least that's how it feels. Take what you want, sew me back up. Don't give a fuck if I heal. Takes a while to heal. Not as long as before though, I'm used to it now, bro. I dive in the shallow, I miss all the free throws. I'm blacking out my rainbow, going out like Van Gogh. Pity party for me, pity party for me. I'm not moving fast enough, I'm not satisfied. Cuddy said I'm happy, and that's just the saddest lie. I'm not moving fast enough, I'm not satisfied. Cuddy said I'm happy, and that's just the saddest lie. I do it to myself, can't blame no one else. Self-deprecation, never give myself any appreciation for the things that I do. Maybe I should start, so I can mend my heart, so I can rise, so I can be how I was, so I cannot give a fuck, so I can just brush you off. Keep on my way to the top, I'm on my way to the top. Sticky icky on my fingers, smell lingers in my hair. That shit doesn't leave for days. I get in the fucking days. I don't wanna behave. I don't care if I'm safe. I don't care if I'm safe. But my people, now that's a different story. I die for them where we been deadly sins. For them, I'm always all in. Don't matter what it is, I'm always all in. I'm learning to be better, I'm learning how to try, learning how to love myself. So